balloons filled with water and turned into ice. Whoa, Kai, look it. What is that? Do the next balloon?
Yeah!
Like Kai's. Smile. Working with balloons filled with water and turned into ice. There is some hidden surprises in here, so Kaitis is gonna try to figure out what it is.
Wait, go.
Yeah, there's more down there. Okay, let's start with this one. What color is this, Kai? Green. Yeah, color green. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Kai, you got to put on your safety goggles first. You ready? Let's see what we have. Oh, we're gonna put some hot water on it.
Yeah.
So we can melt the ice. Woo! Wow, we're doing it, Kai. Whoa. Do you guys hear that breaking? I'll use more hot water to melt the ice. Yeah! Whoa, Kai. Whoa, Kai, look it. What is that? A giraffe. That's so cool, huh? We need more hot water. Yeah, gotta use more hot water to get the giraffe out. You ready, Kai?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Whoa, Kai. Giraffe is almost out, Kai. Whoa, Kai, I think you can get like a foot. Look it. The foot's out. You ready, Kai? You ready to pull it? Pull out the giraffe. We got it out. Whoa, it's free. The giraffe, Kai. Now we're going to do the pirate face. What color is this, Kai? Red.
Yeah.
Red. Okay, Kai. Now you ready? We're gonna pour warm water on the ice. Whoa. Look how cool that looks, Kai. Whoa, what is that? A zebra, look. A zebra. We gotta get the zebra out. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, Kai. Almost there. Ready to free the zebra? Let's do it. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, look at Kai. The zebra's free. Pull it out. Whoa. Whoa, guys. It's the zebra. Oh, yeah, the zebra and the giraffe. Yeah. Zebra and the giraffe. You ready to do the next one?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You ready to do the next balloon?
Yeah.
This is the color yellow, guys. A yellow smiley face. You ready to do the next balloon?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Now we have to open it. Whoa, Kai. You ready? Let's see what's inside. Here we have in this one. It looks like an ant. An ant. Yeah, let's take it out. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Pour it. Whoa, Kai. What color is the ant, Kai?
Blue.
It's red. Yeah. Does it feel cool?
Yeah.
This is a red ant. Pour the last of the water. You ready, Kai?
Yeah.
Gotta make sure we free the ant, Kai. Whoa, I think you can pull it out, Kai. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Let's pull it out together. 1, 2, 3, yay! You freed the red ant. Ah! Can you play with the zebra?
Yeah.
Whoa! Now we have a zebra,
No.
an ant, and a giraffe. Oh, what's on your head, Kai? Whoa! Did you have fun doing this video?
Yes.
If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and tune in for more. You got an ant on your head. No! Say bye.